Hi guys, how you all doing? A bit of work today on my E32. Basically what I've been doing is replacing the windscreen nozzles, because the other ones were a bit blocked and they didn't spray properly, and obviously there was a back pressure in the windscreen tanks, and basically was overflowing and going in all over the engine bay. So I bought these genuine nozzles, spray nozzles. They're about 25 to 30 pounds from BMW, non-heated. If you want the heated, it's about double the price, about 50 pounds, 55 pounds. So obviously we've got one of them here, so we connect two rubber lines to the ends of them. Obviously that's your connection for the heater, and you do the same to the other one. And once you spray the you can see here both of the holes here, there should be the windscreen fluid should be spraying out of both of them, obviously on both sides. Let me just show you. Let me just show you the old ones we've got here. So that's the heated ones here. So these are the part numbers here for the heated ones. The non-heated ones, the part number is 35 at the end, not 55. It's a tiny bit different. And on the bottom you've got the date when these were produced, so 7th month 1993, and the other one is 1996, so someone has replaced this one previously. So we've got, obviously we've got our connectors here for the heater, so got our contacts, positive and negative, and then we've got our feed lines here. And what happened to this got blocked inside. As you can see, there is a bit of contamination coming off the contacts that went inside. You can see also the seal itself has perished. There is a little seal, as you can see here. The white seal goes around, sealing obviously the fluid off when it's pressurized. And we've got our little springs here with the tappets at the ends, obviously to keep so it doesn't spray all the time. Obviously to take it all apart, you've got this little tap here. You just pull it out with a screwdriver. It comes in here, you pull it out with a screwdriver on both sides, and it just comes out, and you can deassemble this. And hopefully if your washers, the nozzles don't work, you can just possibly clean them. But I've just bought new ones, because they're also the springs, as you can see, obviously when they're working up and down, spring and sprig themselves, obviously they bend a bit over the years. So it's, as you can see here, that's a new spring. That's one of the old ones here, so it's a bit bent, that one. So yeah, that's it pretty much. Yeah, the cars had a 1-year MOT done, obviously with no advisories or anything like that. Nice and clean. Obviously it's had a full engine rebuild, full respray inside and out. It's been about 20k altogether for this E32 740i, but it's well deserved, I suppose. The seals for the handles as well have been replaced, the handles themselves. It's yeah, it's been quite a lot of work. See, on the back we've got a bigger dish wheels than the fronts. The back one is 10J, I think the front one 9J. Yeah, interior is nice and clean. So it's been insured from the end of July 31st. Obviously it's gonna be taxed from the next month, the 1st of the next month, August. And it's gonna be ripping the streets again after quite a bit of a break. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and more videos will be coming through. Look at that, beautiful color as well. It used to be Mauritius blue, and now it's Avis blue. Look at that, it shines nicely, nice and sparkly. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah, interior is nice and spot on. Obviously the liner here as well. Everything is as it should. So yeah, cheers for watching, bye bye.